sorry, little one.
Yo guys, what is good today? We are back here and we're literally trading on Wednesday. The market's looking pretty good today. We've entered in two trades, one on GU, one on EU. They're both in profits right now. We haven't taken out, obviously. We're going to hold this bitch to the end because we think price is going to go up. Everything is kind of confluting. I don't even know if that's a word, but everything is mixing together, going well. And, we're just going to hold this and see what happens. If price is starting to look more bearish than bullish, we may just redecide what we're going to do. But for the time being, price is looking beautiful and I'll show you guys what's happening. So, boom. Price right here is looking absolutely beautiful. This is on euro alone. Price is pushing up. Price pushed down, grabbed liquidity here, broke through, retested the daily open and pushed up. So we're either expecting price to at least touch this area until price has some sort of extra reactions, either pushing down from here or retesting and pushing to the upside or just ranging, just something. We're expecting price to react more to this area than necessarily any other area, or even just here, just because of how many times price has touched this area. The reason why we're going to hold this, guys, is because we see on the 4-hour time frame, price is in an uptrend. The only bad thing about this is that price on the daily is looking nasty, because we are still in a downtrend on the daily, and we possibly could be breaking through on the 4-hour today because of the NFP later on today. We're going to hold it through it. We may take one out and keep one in just to see how it goes, but the whole plan is that we're going to hold it because of how price looks right now. Price is looking really nice, so we're just going to hold price until it either does our exit strategy and takes us out. But right now we're going to be holding it because it's absolutely beautiful how the trade's looking for both GU and EU at 6 o'clock. Entered in, pretty sure somewhere here, entered in, and we're just holding this, and price is looking absolutely beautiful. But price can still reverse and take us out because that's just how the markets go. But it's looking nice right now. And let's check out GU. GU has moved a lot more because it is more volatile than EU. The reason why I actually took a buy on this, right? So the haters in the comments, y'all can chill. I'm going with the trend now. So if I get fucked up, guess what? I was right. No, I'm joking, guys. I would have taken this regardless if I listened to you guys or not. The reason why I'm taking this is because price was actually grabbing liquidity, pushing to the upside. And if this closes as a 4-hour candle, I'm expecting the next candle to come back down for a retracement and then push up, leaving a wick to the upside. Possibly to the purple line. The purple line resembles a 50% retracement on the daily time frame. So on the daily, it's same as the euro. It's pushing down, so we're not looking too great for the time being. And yeah, we just have to try force this bitch through. And if price doesn't want to force through the purple line, so to speak, we may just have a stop loss down below a certain area where if price breaks through, we're going to think price is going to continue going down. Right now, we are just considering just holding this till the very end during news. We're still deciding if we're going to hold one through and take one out in profits, because these both look like they're just going to keep pushing up till NFP later on. It's not necessarily NFP, I think it's ADP NFP, something like that. Regarding the Discord, guys, we have 4 people in here now. We are chilling, we're all in the same trades, we're all getting dubs. You see, the Discord's going pretty crazy. Shout out to Fox, he wanted to be in this video. Shout out to you, Fox. If any of you guys want to be in this video as well, or just trade with me in general, trade with the group, grow with the community, in the description down below is the Discord link, and I hope to see you guys at the top. Newsflash, guys, I blew my account. How did this happen? This is GU. I entered in here, price pushed up, nice range, doing this thing. Price grabbed liquidity here, pushed down. I actually took out right here, so I was like $29 profit. And then price did this normal thing, right? What I could have learned from here is probably just to enter in once again, or just not to take out right here. And literally just put my stop loss here, which my strategy displayed me to do, but I was just too bitchy. Because if I displayed my strategy here, I would have literally caught this big ass move, which literally led to the stars, and it would have literally ended with a 1, 2, 6, which is absolutely crazy, but I just didn't follow through with my plan. Let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD was another beautiful trade. Honestly, how it should have went was also the exact same, but anyway, you guys are wondering, how did I lose my account? I'm getting to it, but I just need to explain how this trade went. So if I actually was to hold this, I would have had a 1 to 5.78, but I'm an idiot sometimes, so I apologize. And yeah, so price here, I would have hopped in, was it here? I hopped in here, guys. Price pushed up, came down into drawdown. Now I was holding this through. Price came back up and I was like, cool. I actually hopped out of this trade and entered in a trade right here just because I was trying to get a better area, because I kind of thought price was going to come down. So the price came back down, entered in a trade here, So essentially my trade was like this, and price came back down into a little bit of drawdown, and I just thought to myself, yeah, price is probably going to come down. The problem with this whole day was my psychology. This is a clear example of me not having strong psychology. If I had a strong mental frame, if I had a strong psychology in this market, I would have crushed it. But in this case, I didn't. So I'm actually very pissed because I could have done better and I chose to be an idiot. Worst decision of the time. Because remember, guys, I was taking L's and L's and L's and L's and L's, and it was like probably only 2 days of L's, and I just couldn't handle it. So it says a lot about me, and I need to improve mentally a lot. That's really it. Because if I was to hold this, if I was to still believe, stay strong, I would have literally been up a crap ton. Anyway, point is, price came here. Let me just go back to this. Came back down here. Price actually came here, and as soon as it started pushing up a bit, I actually put my stop loss just below here, and I'm just like, okay, if price grabs here, I'm just gonna get out and cool. Later on, price actually grabbed the liquidity, but obviously it just grabbed it one little bit and then pushed to the upside. So in this case, I essentially lost because my stop loss was too close. If I was to at least just put my stop loss just here, I would have been up and floating, and probably would have taken out around here. And that would have led me to at least a 1-to-1. So today I would have been floating in around $79 profit. Even though I didn't catch the full move, I would have been floating in $79 profit, but I just did not hold at least to this stage. I was too mentally weak to hold to this stage, which is my fault. I should have blocked every other negative thoughts out of my mind, and I should have just held this. So that's my problem. The reason how I blew my account is because as soon as my trade got out here, I knew that I wasn't going to hop in anymore just because of how price was looking. It wasn't really going to where I wanted it to go to. So when price was actually coming up here, I was trying to do pip trading. If you guys don't know what pip trading is, it's like buying and selling in short amount of time with essentially high leverage, and what I did. So essentially, I just kept doing that till I lost $500. As soon as I lost $500, Trail, also a member in the server, he's kind of woke me up. He's like, yo, bro, what are you doing? Like, you crashing. And I was crashing, bro. I was crashing. But I couldn't be stopped. It was done so. Right? He even tried to stop me. And I was like, you know what? I don't even care about this account. I'm already down 500. I might as well just bet the whole thing. So when it was GU, I remember the exact moment, exact place. When it was right here, I entered in a trade, a 5-lot trade. I don't even do 5 lots. I probably do 0.5. I entered in a 5-lot trade and I just left the charts. So I was like, you know what? Fuck this. If price wants to redeem me from my stupidity, it will push up. If price doesn't want to, it will push down. So in the end, price wanted to take me out, which is completely fair because I'm an idiot. And price did just so, took me out here, lost the account. That was my first official blown account because I was being stupid. That's really it. My first official blown account because I was just being stupid. I had one previous to this, but it was around probably 4 or 5 months ago, and it was only because I was trading my personal account and I just had that agitation like I did today, where I just had to trade. I just had to trade. So what I did is I actually bought a little quick TFT account when it wasn't fucked up, and I just traded a small account and I just blew it instantly. I'm just like, it made me feel a bit better, you know, instead of me just blowing my personal account. So that's really what happened today, guys. I blew my account, and you don't care at the start, and over time you kind of just feel it more and more. That's really the best way to explain it. Anyway, guys, besides this, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a learner for me today. I missed a really great opportunity, but I was an idiot. It is what it is. I'm just learning at this point. If you guys like this, hit that subscribe and like. Join the Discord down below. Grow with me. I'm telling you guys right now, I'm not making the same mistake I did today. Peace.